We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting or related words in English. We're going to be looking at how to say it in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally pronounced as habilitated. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the B syllable, habilitated. In American English, however, this is normally said as habilitated. Habilitated in American English versus habilitated in British English. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.